Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to write a post on the LinkedIn application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the this post icon down below, which is the third option. Then you should start typing in your post. You can add hashtags if you want to. And then you can select who can comment on your post. In the middle of the screen, you can select anyone, connections only. So if you tap on it, only those people will see who you have connection with. Or you can also select the no one can comment option. You can also see the post availability at the top, such as anyone or connections only. And you can insert pictures, videos, and so on to this post. So if you are done with editing and done with typing in all of your thoughts, tap on the post button in the upper right corner of the screen. As you can see, your post has been posted successfully. Here you can find it at your home page. So that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.